In this area, some good-looking millwork was done. These tables are new. They seem to have a contemporary nice look, beautiful tabletops, simple legs for the table, or simple hardware underneath the table. There's only one problem with this kind of solution for the leg. You can see it's made of a plate, a steel pipe, and up there on the other side of the table another plate of steel or so. Now, what happens when you want to sit down to this table? You want to pull your chair closer, like so. As soon as it catches the steel plate there, that leg is higher there, and the whole chair wobbles. That makes sitting at the table really miserable. Now, you don't have to be wobbling on it while you're sitting. You can just pick one corner or the other, but this is a problem that you need to lift the chair's leg in the first place to get close to the table, because you're just gonna have to hit the end if you want to try to slide the chair. So this is a problem. It's a design issue, a design fail. It cannot really be fixed. This kind of table hardware is doomed.